Hello everyone. In this video, you will learn how to make AI videos for TikTok. The first step is choosing the right tool. Right now, one of the most powerful AI video generators is Google VO3. It can turn your text prompts into short and realistic video clips. All you need to do is describe what you want to see, and VO3 creates the scene for you. Since TikTok videos are short, you want to focus on clear and simple prompts. Think of describing the setting, the action, and the style. Once you generate a clip, save it and check the length. TikTok allows up to 60 seconds, but shorter videos between 10 and 20 seconds often perform better. If your AI video is longer, you can trim it using TikTok's built-in editor or any free editing app. Remember that the first 3 seconds are the most important. Make sure your AI video starts with movement or something visually striking so that viewers stop scrolling. Finally, post consistently. AI tools like VO3 let you create new clips quickly, so experiment with different prompts and styles. The more videos you share, the better you will learn what works with your audience. That is how you can start making AI videos for TikTok today. Thanks for watching.